now we'll teach you how to use the frog drone. First, this big this is for gasoline and gasoline. This add the chemicals and frog agent. After you put the gasoline, you need to press the bubble several times to make the gasoline into the whole system. Okay, and after use, do not touch this. This is very hot, this tube. Okay, and this is the app. If you open B, is open the pump. It means the chemicals and the frog agent. You can adjust the size of the frog and chemicals. Okay, and press C will begin the starting the engine.
好了。
Usually you will open C first, then open B， 是吧？
对。
And 就是停止的话只能按着这个。And press bubble, you will stop the engine。
对，现在只能按这个。
OK， 没有别的键了。
然后其他就是飞行键了。